Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to check who unfollowed you on Instagram. So guys, if you want to see that who can you unfollow on your Instagram, then how can you see this? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, the first way is open Instagram and tap on profile and tap on your followers. And the first way is you can see here from who had you follow and your following list. And after that, the other solution is you have to just simply open App Store, tap on your search and search here for Analyzer plus Insta followers. And after that, tap on this and install this app, and here you can see guys who has unfollowed you, and you can also check who not follow back, and you also check that who lost interest in you, and you can also check your likes and comments deleted on post. And after that you can see here stories or something else. So guys, in this way you can check who has unfollowed you. So guys, that's it for today. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.